So I welcome you to the first Information Systems Symposium held here at UNSW Canberra at the Australian Defence Force Academy. We've assembled experts and practitioners with one objective, and that is how to reach out to the global audience about information systems research and practice, emphasising its potential and advancing its theories. And I commend you strongly in those aspects of what you do. Of course, UNSW Canberra is part of UNSW. UNSW is one of the group of 8 research-intensive universities in Australia. We see research as underpinning everything that we do. So it's important that all of our areas, information systems in particular in this case, be heavily involved in research. Our emerging expertise in the area of ICT 4D is enhanced by this symposium, and the attendance of a number of international researchers and industry leaders will certainly bring life to the symposium's vision of reaching out to the global community. And I certainly welcome those who have come from a long distance to be with us today. It's very much appreciated.
So we started with a very humble plan to have a get-together of all IS researchers within Canberra. And often we don't have, because of our increasing commitment, we don't have the time to interact even if we are in Canberra. I won't be surprised if some of you are coming here for the first time, living in Canberra. Is there anyone who is visiting this campus for the first time? Yes, I can see quite a few hands, those who are from Canberra even. Okay, so from that small expectation, it has turned into truly an international symposium with at least 5 presenters who are coming from 5 different universities of 3 different countries. The total number of registrations stands 61, which is more than our expectation, and the distribution you can see on the screen. So we are very pleased and grateful for your wholehearted response and support. It surely speaks about our IS research community, that we really care for each other. We are especially grateful to our esteemed scholars in the field and keynote speakers, starting from Professor Michael Myers, Professor Shirley Gregor, Professor Robert Davison. You know, the biggest part of UNSW is in Kensington, Sydney. However, in terms of communication and collaboration, we are sometimes far more apart than the physical distance we have. And this was an opportunity, and I'm grateful to Patrick Finnegan, the head of the School of Information System and Technology Management. He was very supportive. It's difficult to name everyone, but all of your presence and support are greatly appreciated. With your support, we were able to line up an excellent program for the symposium. I can assure you that your time in next 2 days will not be wasted. We have 3 keynotes focusing on our theme in 3 dimensions. In addition to 3 keynotes, we have 4 interesting presentations, special panel discussions, and 2 workshops. A poster presentation has also been arranged to encourage our PhD students and to avail the opportunity to get feedback from some of our top scholars. We haven't completely forgotten our social side. A campus tour by Flight Sergeant Kevin will give you a unique opportunity to experience the life of military cadets at ATFA. Also, a walkathon, provided the weather permits, to Mount Pleasant after the day-long walk will give you a bit of refreshing breeze and a spectacular view of Canberra through the Brindabella Range. Thank you.